Does your fridge look like this? With mysterious containers stacked and drawers overpacked, digging through food you forgot that's turned green and rotten. You gotta throw that in the trash, but that's a waste of cash. Now there's a better way. Introducing Zip & Store, the revolutionary easy store system that helps you save by organizing. Zip & Store transforms your refrigerator from cluttered mess to organized success, so you can save time finding what you need, save food from going bad, and save money at the grocery store. Simply peel, stick, and slide. In just minutes, your refrigerator is finally organized. The secret is Zip & Store's unique full extension track, which attaches to the bottom of your shelf and features 12 slots for holding 12 different storage bags. Bags slide right in, Zip & Store slides right out. Now everything's easy to see and access. Find meats and cheese with ease. Preserve leftovers, and it's a great way to have snacks ready for the kids. Zip & Store holds so much food, up to 20 pounds. Wow! The super strong adhesive holds it tight, so you can use space that normally goes to waste. It's like getting a bigger refrigerator. And that's not all. Zip & Store also works wonders in cabinets, pantries, craft items, even hardware. The options are endless. Forgotten food costs families $1,400 a year. Save time and money by saving your food with Zip & Store. Now for the incredible low price of just $29.95. When you call, find out about upgrading to a large Zip & Store with 20 bag slots. Order now and we'll also send your amazing chop and fill cutting mats. They're the easy, mess-free way to chop food and then load it right into your storage bags. Yours free.